pagbibinyag, this is the first step sa ating initiation as Christians. Ang simbahan ay tinatag si Kristo ng pitong sakramento. At sa pitong sakramento, tatlo ang sakramento ng initiation, sacraments of initiation. Ang unang sakramento ng initiation, which is the key to all sacraments, na kung wala ka itong sakramento na ito, hindi mo pwedeng tanggapin yung ibang sakramento, kaya sakramento ng pagbibinyag.
Are my only one, you have all my heart, through the sunshine, through the rain, you and I will never fade, 'cause you are my only one.
Kapag sa sakramento ng bibinyag, sa pamagitan ng pagbuhos ng tubig at pagpapanalangin sa kanila, lumulubog ang banal na Espiritu. Hindi lamang nahawasan ang kanilang kasalanan, kundi ang kanilang kaluluwa ay nagiging karapat-dapat na pananahanan ng banal na Espiritu.
But you held on to me like the roots of a tree, and I still feel the spark like I did at the start. You are my only one. You have all my heart, through the sunshine, through the rain, you and I will never fade, 'cause you are my only one.
Welcome to Aya's birthday party!
Let's go!
Got a good day coming, and it's all I need. Everything I wanted is in front of me. Stuck it up and I'm down, sun is shining over
So
me.
everybody,
Got a good thing
clap your
coming.
hands and make some noise for Natasha!
It's a good.
Si Aya, jolly person siya, and lagi niya kaming pinapasaya every day, every morning. From morning hanggang night, nakasmile lang siya sa amin. So, keep it up, baby. Sana hanggang paglaki mo, ganyan ka pa din sa amin ni Daddy and Mami mo. Kung gano'n ka-sweet sa amin ngayon, sana hanggang paglaki mo, ganun pa din.
There ain't nothing like this right here. Got me seeing things crystal clear. So high, I can fly the mountains. Gonna
Ayun, tulad niya ng sabi ni Mami, lagi siyang nakangiti, lagi siyang So, sa lahat ng pagod namin sa paghahanap buhay, pag umuwi kami ng bahay, nakita lang namin si Aya nakangiti, tanggal na yung pagod namin at stress. So, stay positive, baby. Aya, yun lang. Maraming salamat.
down, sun is shining over me. I got a good thing coming. So wait and see. It's a good thing.
Thankful ako sa bagay na naging kamukha ko siya. Yan lang naman.
Thankful ako kasi binigyan niya kami ng mas meaningful life. Happy birthday, Aya! Wish namin sa'yo sana makinig ka lagi sa amin kay Mami and Daddy, and love na love ka namin.
Contagious, gonna catch it if you know what I mean.
Sana paglaki mo, hindi kang maging pasaway, lagi kang makikinig kay daddy at mommy. Yun lang naman. Sana lumaki kang mabuti at matulungin sa kapwa mo, gaya ng ginagawa namin. Not all the time, pero most of the time.
Happy birthday, Aya! We love you!